This is the reflection that we will be using for our toy top challenge. This is the same type of reflection that we will be using for all of our challenges. Now, this reflection is graded on 4 different points here, or it's a 4-point scale. If you do the absolute best that you could possibly do and get everything in details, good punctuation, good sentences, you use full sentences, you use, capitals at the beginning, periods at the end, and you're detailed, then you'd get 4 points per section. It goes down from there to 1 point, which means I didn't do anything right. Okay. And that you need to redo it again. Now, the first part here is asking you to type in what the design goal is, but you need to use your own words. If you go back to the information part on the assignment for the toy top, you will actually find the goal listed on the second page. All you have to do is tell me what the goal is in your own words. Make sure you use some key phrases like top, toy, spinning fastest. Don't just say to make it spin for the longest time. I don't even know what it is if you go that way. So you should say things like to create a spinning top that can spin for a long period of time. Okay. Limits. There are also limits in that document. I have 10 spaces here. You'll only use 2 or 3 per design that we do. So you go back to the information document, find the limits. Okay, so you get your top back. You've created in Tinkercad, and you get it back for the first time. You are now going to do this reflection section here. You're going to describe the shape you used, why you chose that shape. You're going to time your top and tell me how long it spun. Then you're going to describe what worked well and what didn't work as well. Even if your top did a really, really good job, there are always things that can be made better. So you will need to describe then some things that could be better with your top. If your top didn't work very well, there's still some things that are going to be okay, and you need to tell me that there. All right. So then you go in here and you think, what changes could I make to the top? You make those changes in Tinkercad. Once you get your redesigned top back, you are going to finish the rest of the reflection and turn it in. Now, this conventions on the bottom of the page here is grading you on how well you wrote. Did you use full sentences with capitals and correct punctuation? Did you spell things correctly? So that's what this conventions thing is at the end of the assignment.